favorite skincare for 2019. Cleansers first. Very, very surprising inclusion. Huda Beauty Makeup Remover Balm, probably my third or fourth. This is made in Japan, and you know that Japanese skincare is huge. It looks like, come on, I'll show you. It looks like this. That's how much I've used up so far. So you only need a little, and about so much, and you rub it all over your dry face, and then emulsify it with water, and it emulsifies like nobody's business. The only other product that emulsifies as well is the Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil from the Face Shop. This emulsifies like nothing else I've seen. Just combines with water, removes makeup, absolutely no residue. It contains no mineral oil, and I haven't actually come across a cleansing balm that leaves absolutely no residue like this and emulsifies like a dream. So I love it. The only problem is that they only sell 20-gram little jars so far, very tiny jars, 20 grams, and the price isn't very friendly either. It's £11 for this thing. So I would like to see a bigger jar at a, reasonable price. And then, I'd definitely be repurchasing this. Love this. If you haven't tried this cleanser, if you are oily skinned and acne prone, it doesn't break me out, mind you. If you like your emulsifying balms rather than, removing product with a flannel or washcloth, if you like, emulsifying and rinsing off your product, your first cleanser, this is the absolutely most brilliant one that I've come across so far. Now let's talk about second cleansers. I have first a cream cleanser. This is from Kiku Masamune. Yes, the famous sake lotion people. Again, Japanese. First two products are Japanese. So this is a very creamy cleanser. So if you like your cream cleansers, your hydrating cleansers, very nice choice. Plums up my skin like nobody's business. Does not remove waterproof makeup. Does not remove a lot of makeup the way the first one, the Huda Balm, does. Does not remove SPF either. This one does. It's a creamy, hydrating cleanser. So that's a good choice. Smells a lot like the Kiku Masamune sake lotion. So if you, or Kiku Masamune, I have no idea how to pronounce it. If anybody knows, please do enlighten me in the comments below. Yeah, where to buy all of these, I will be definitely linking in the comments below. Now I have with me two gel cleansers. The first is from the Inky, it's the salicylic acid cleanser. The second is from Pixi, the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. Yep, that's how much I've used up so far. Both are gel cleansers, both are acid-based cleansers. This one's salicylic. I use it when I have acne, such as Roger here, or Roger if you're into Monty Python. And when I don't have acne, I use this one as a mildly exfoliating cleanser. Very gentle, neither foams up. Very nice. Right, let's move to toner next. Oopsie! There are two. Both are for acne. No acid this time. I've found my favorite acids last year, right? The first one is from Omorovitsa. It is their Silver Skin Tonic glass bottle. My dad's already said he wants this for his garden once I'm done with it. So this is the Silver Skin Tonic, as I said. And colloidal silver is known to help with acne-prone skin. So it combines colloidal silver, niacinamide, and salicylic acid. It contains no oils. There is some lavender extract, but I can't smell it, honestly. There is also the famous Hungarian thermal water. So there's the Hungarian thermal water, niacinamide, sodium lactate, salicylic acid, colloidal silver, radish root ferment filtrate, orange flower water, lavender extract. Those are the main ingredients. The thing is, the product is so watery that I've actually decanted the lot into a spray bottle and spritz it on instead. That's the best way to apply it. The second one is the Pyongyang Acne Toner. Acne Toner. Pyongyang Essence Toner, wonderful product for hydrating. The Acne Toner works. Both are currently battling against Waja here, and they are winning because Waja is, smaller than Watcher was. I don't think I like the one more than the other. They're both equally good and both do a very good job at controlling acne. What I like to do is, because it is cheaper, I use the Pune Cameo as a preventive, particularly when I know that I will be getting acne hormones, and the Omorovitsa once the acne has turned up, because it is more pricey, so I can use it less often. A specific acne treatment product that I discovered this year and is absolutely amazing is the Zitsticka Killer. I bought a whole box of this because it keeps going out of stock all the bloody time on Cult Beauty, and I've actually got only 6 remaining now. And I don't want to use these on Watcher here because I only have 6, and I was hoping these would last me through at least half of next year. So having only 5 remaining, not a good plan. So what you do is you use the swab first. Hang on, let me show you the swab. The cleaner, and then once you've swabbed the area, you apply the killer. Now, this contains micro dots, and applying it, the patch, is like applying Velcro on your skin. Hurts for about 3 seconds, or is uncomfortable, doesn't hurt as such, is uncomfortable for about 3 seconds, and then you leave it overnight. It goes away in the morning because it is not soap resistant, so any morning cleanser will kick it out. And then you can apply either some other acne treatment or a Cosrx hydrocolloidal acne patch that will stay on. This is not soap resistant. Those are soap resistant, the hydrocolloidal patches, and those stay on better. This one contains sodium hyaluronate, oligopeptide 76, niacinamide, sodium hydroxide, salicylic acid, and nothing else. The patch, that is. So those microdots pierce into the skin, and all these ingredients are delivered into your pimple. And the microdots dissolve after 2 hours. So that's, the medicine being held there and occluded by the patch overnight. The swab contains alcohol, water, tea tree oil, salicylic acid, and tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E. So it's just, one of those disinfecting pads. Doesn't do much. The microdots are where the magic is at. These are not all you need to battle acne. You will need a Cosrx hydrocolloidal patches to apply later because those last longer. These don't draw out gunk from your acne the way those patches do. These don't heal ruptured pimples the way those do. What these do is these microdots pierce the skin and deliver all those ingredients: niacinamide, salicylic acid, sodium hyaluronate, and oligopeptide 76 into the skin, into your acne. That is all that this one does. Does not draw out gunk, does not heal ruptured acne, does not do anything but deliver medicine deep into your cyst because the microdots rupture the skin. But I love these. I will always repurchase them and will never, ever, ever, ever be without them. Now let's move to serums. There are quite a few. First, let's talk about the one that I discovered from the Estelle Advent calendar. By Wish Trend, polyphenols in propolis, 15% ampoule. I am going to be researching other propolis products as well. I have Dr. Suracle from the Skin City Advent calendar. I've used up so much of this so far. And I have already repurchased this one, but I want to try this Dr. Suracle and also a few other brands, and then see which the best propolis is. Propolis is amazing if you are acne prone. It heals acne sooner. It is also slightly better at preventing acne, I feel. The next 2 are from the Inky list. This one is the polyglutamic acid, and this one is the heptapeptide. This is a very mattifying and very blurring product that goes on well beneath makeup. If you have pitted acne scars, it's going to do a great job at blurring those pits in the mornings. I mean, I don't use this in the night. It also contains all those peptides, heptapeptide 7. That's the main ingredient. So a patented peptide sequence which helps promote skin renewal and targets visible signs of aging. I have no idea if it does all of that. What I can tell you is that it is one of the most blurring products ever. It is also one of the most mattifying products that I've ever used. Don't use too much, and don't use an oil-based foundation or, a silicone primer on top, or else you'll have pilling. I have actually used my regular Oxygenetics Acne Control Foundation, and it's worked a treat. I don't actually need another primer with this one. Held my skin wonderfully, blurred and oil-free. Controls sebum like nothing else. Polyglutamic acid apparently holds 4 times more moisture than hyaluronic acid. I don't know if it does that, but it's a great hydrating serum, particularly on tretinoin nights. Love it. And you know, it's in key list. It doesn't cost a bomb. They're lovely. One more serum from Purito, Snail Repair Advanced Serum containing 93% snail mucus filtrate, in addition to metacassic acid and asiatic acid and centella asiatica and hyaluronic acid. I actually like this more than the centella asiatica buffet serum from Purito. And this one does not have any oils. It doesn't have that lavender, nor does it have that annoying fragrance that the green buffet serum has. So I prefer this to the buffet serum. Moisture, 2 products. Omorovitsa Silver Skin Lotion to be used after serum on acne nights, or Pixie Phenomenal Gel Moisturizer to be used on regular nights, provides some exfoliation as well as hydration. Yeah, the two aren't, you know, mutually exclusive. The Silver Skin Lotion, there is a great hydrator without breaking me out. If you are acne prone, there's niacinamide, there's salicylic acid, there's colloidal silver, there's a famous Hungarian thermal water. There are no oils. Neither of these contains any oils. So this year, my derm has told me to avoid all products that contain any kind of oil because I've been on a lot of steroids, hydrocortisone shots for allergies. So there've been a lot of breakouts as well this year. So she said the best thing to do is avoid anything with oil. That's what I've been doing, and they've worked. Lastly, mask and sunscreen. Althea's Petal Velvet Sunaway. My favorite SPF is actually a tinted product from Cots. It is their face natural tone SPF 40. It's wonderful if you're wearing it on its own. However, if you're wearing makeup, I find that, first of all, it doesn't work well with the texture of my foundation for some reason. Secondly, it's overkill, a tinted product and a foundation on top. This one is not tinted. It is something that I use beneath foundation. I'm almost done with it. It's very, 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 very mattifying. SPF 50. I have reviewed this. Link in the description box below. Favorite mask from the Selfridges Beauty Collection for her. Dr. Sebor Rose Dewy Hydrating Mask. I do not use this as a rinse-off mask, which is what, you know, the directions say. I use it as a leave-on occlusive sleeping pack above my lotion or moisturizer. Last step, occlusive sleeping pack. The fragrance isn't overwhelming, and it is the perfect moisturizing, occluding product if you're as oily and as breakout prone as I am. I have no idea if I will be repurchasing this because it is some 73 or 74 pounds for 100 mils. That is this size. I got it in the Selfridges Beauty Collection for, and I do wish I bought one more of those beauty bags because, you know, the value for the money was amazing. So I don't know if I will repurchase this because of cost. Maybe if there's a discount or something going on. But, you know, you really need a bit of it to occlude. It is above moisturizer, so I'm not, you know, worried right now. So those are my favorite skincare products for 2019, including cleansers. First step, makeup removing cleansers. Second step, cleansers, gel cleansers, exfoliating cleanser, acne controlling cleanser, including toner, including serums of various kinds, including moisturizer, mask, and SPF. I would love to know what major skincare discovery you've made this year. These are not, you know, my all-time favorite skincare products because I've discovered other holy great products in previous years. These are just the products that I've discovered this year that I absolutely love. So I'd love to know what discoveries you've made this year. Do tell me that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.